What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But today we are going to talk about the man them. And the first thing me are going to, me want to know what make when the man them get a piece, them have to tell them friend. You know, tell me want to drop it in the comment section. Me want to tell me why you think you have to tell. The man them me are talking, you know. Also the woman them can tell me why them feel say the man them talk. I want it, boy. Why them feel say the man them talk um when them get something? Why? Why you not have to tell no friend them? I don't want to feel big and mighty and feel like say, okay, we guitar and rare. Why make you not have to go tell no friend them so I get a piece? Why make everybody have to know? Anyways, guys, I feel like I'm not to stop it. Me I telling you the truth. Because the woman them more, you know, hear nothing from them. Because them have to keep them pride and them shame down. I wanna just go and spread out the whole thing. When I do that for? If you don't get a little piece, what me gonna have to go tell no friend? Eh? Tell me what me gonna talk. Because the woman them want to keep them pride. Yeah, that are them pride and joy. I don't know I tell no friends. You know something when my father said to me when me about 22 or so, he said don't talk to no man in your neighborhood. And because and even if you do talk to one, don't make it be two. So anything him run go say the others don't have experience. So them can't say, oh I truth, I truth, him alone attack. Him friend them can't tell him say nothing no go so. Them not have no experience, them not know. So I just him alone attack. So don't do it and it vice versa. It goes same thing in your workplace as well. If you're working in one company with a lot of guys, which I used to, and a lot of them did like me there, but when I tell you say you have to keep your composure and you have to respect yourself, respect your body. Your body is your temple. You can't make this your man you know about you, that them on there, and then all of them gang up and attack about you, no. And then them come on a broadcast. It's a very uncomfortable situation for talk to somebody in your workplace and knowing that they're disgusting you with other people in the workplace. Wanna tell me if you don't ever have that experience there. It's okay. We can talk about things, we talk about things. Voice your opinion. Me never perfect, but I was aware of how I want to treat my body. I was aware, and as soon as I gather the knowledge as a woman, I was aware of how I don't want Tom, Dick and Harry for have my name out there. I talk about, my body. I was aware of that. Alright, so I'm gonna drop it in the comment section why the man them have to go run them out when them get something. Why? Why you gonna tell your friend, why your friend forget the girl, or you just want to feel big and you want somebody to know say you crush the ends there. Why is it that you don't have to go tell people, tell your friends them say you don't mash the works? Why? You don't do it, man. You don't stop it and be a man. Not do that. You understand? Alright, so we are going to divert from this now and kind of want to know. We're going to divert from this now and because we want to know why the man them pull away from the woman them when they meet them. And as a woman, how you are going to figure out when the man really don't want you, because you can't see nine head, you can't see nine brain, you don't know where my think. So for me now, the longer you be friends with that person and build a relationship, I think it build on a solid ground, so you and that person can get along for a long time. Because you don't want a one night stand, you get what I mean? You don't want nobody just run in and run out of your thing. I not say it happen, it happen. But you really don't want that as a woman unless you want that, But you don't want a man to run in and run out. You get what I say? So when you build a foundation as a friend, then the relationship will last longer. most relationship tend to last longer based upon a friendship, you know. So I mean, some people meet somebody and fall in love at the same time, you know, and it work, but it's not for everybody. So I write down some things when I actually want to say why are the reason why. So if you see me I hold down my head because me I read, right? Because me write it down. So the sooner if why the man them pull away, the sooner you find that out, is easier for you if you know say the man now go want you. You pull away from the relationship before you know you make it. So just figure him out as a friendship and see the quality where you want in him before you know you pull it up. You get deep into it because woman vulnerable, them fall in love quick. So before you get hurt, make sure say don't run into things. That is my me talk about this already, but that is my opinion because you know um, you learn from what you go through and your mistakes, but you can also learn from others as well. All right, so sometimes the man them really can't get what them want, like in a woman where them a look for in a woman. So them pull away early, and it based upon the foundation of friendship again. Them get into you, quick, and you know have that substance to hold them together where communication, um, um, you know, also man pull away because you know them don't feel what them want with you, even though them already mess around with you. Them don't feel that compassion maybe what them are look for, or you know vice versa. Woman too, woman pull away, but it's harder for a woman to pull away than a man. But the man them quicker to go. If you notice, them not stay in a relationship as long as us as a woman. You know, woman not pull away so much like man. So that's why me I talk about the man. So one of the reasons why me think men pull away is that the woman them not find what them a look for. Some of them run because them realize too say the woman them are good, and for them it's like them don't want to seems weak, them don't want to get vulnerable with the woman. So them hide them feelings and then pull away quick before them get deep into it. Man do that, so it's like you know vice versa, up and down, it scale up and down. So it not easy. Sometimes them realize say where them going there for and never that, and them realize say them gravitate to the person because them see so much quality in them. So them are, you know, them run from that as well. Man do run from that as well because good woman out there were really good to them and treat them nice, but them never expect that and never that them want. Them they just want what them want and then them gone. And man, wanna drop it in the comment section if I like me I tell. Drop it. Cause enough man just them coward to express themselves to a woman in a certain way because them feel like oh them against her or whatever, them a tuggy and them you know them not get vulnerable, them not get emotions and show them expressions to certain things towards a woman because them don't want woman use it against them, don't want feel weak. So wanna tell me, drop it in the comment section if you not think say a true me attack reality. Alright, so yeah, sometimes they do have personal issues where them struggle with. They go back to say, you know, them don't want to get vulnerable. Them don't want express them feelings to them partner. So that is also some other reason why them walk away. Them ghost the woman, you know. Them ghost the person that they meet. Them ghosted them by not communicate with them. You know, you're not more back from them. Them gone. Then get where them come from. So them gone. But as we as the woman now, we feel because sometimes you're wrong, sometimes you're right, because we get so caught up and all up in our feelings, we don't see the flags before we make it happen. You know, reality is that's no joke. It's reality. So And sometimes, you know, him just constantly a search. So he meets somebody else and him realize say, alright, him a talk to you for a little bit, but that person seems to, you know, I give him more than what you are giving, so him gone. Him gone leave you too. So them not stop search. Some of them just, and that is not, let me make it clear right now. That is not for everybody. I'm talking about the ones them who always out there and are run, the one them who are on the streets mostly. Not talking about the respectable man them when meet them woman in at the beginning and them stood by them. Me I talk about, and even some of them man them was like that before they meet them person. Them was like that. Them used to run the streets. So none of the reason why a man, these are some of the reason why man always are run. You know? Some of them don't want to stand up to responsibility. Some of them find the nice girls them and them realize that why they too nice. But them did want to crush the nice girls, you know, and them want to big up them chest so them crush the nice girl, and you know them realize that the girl nice and it hard for them to left, but them still left anyways. Them still left. So yeah, so basically, let's go back into it. So, all right, so you meet this person, and you realize, say, this person have class, this person have dignity, but yet you want to get into the person by just sleeping with them. What that makes you, and why would you run away from somebody that have that class and you don't want that? Why is it that you want to get into the relation, get into the person that we're there? Why you want to use them that we're there? Why men do that and then them go back and them tell them friends, instead them take it for a joke. Some of them take it for a joke, and it's them have to stop do that. If you don't want the person, don't just run around. Let me tell you, things and time change, you know, whole heap of sickness are going out there. And me think say, as woman, we need to saddle up, not me. We need to saddle up ourselves and always protect ourselves as a woman, because we don't know what we're getting from our partner. And this is it, people body change. And when you're with this person and with that person and the man come by you, then things can happen to you. You know, your body change in a different ways. So that's why we have to protect ourselves. But I'm gonna drop it in the comment section, guys. Let me know if some of them thing here what me say is correct. Man run from good and man run from bad. And man wanna stop go to woman. Stop go to one of friends. But tell them say sleep with that the woman there. Stop it. Stop it. Okay? Yo, one of the earthest thing, you know, for in one neighborhood, you know, or even in your workplace, and learn, say you and that person sleep together and you don't want nobody find out. It hard. So you not do it. You stop it. Yes, you stop it. So I come phone this morning for talk to you. I wanna drop it in the comment section if it really makes sense to you. Why is it that you pull away from woman? Is it that you're scared? Sometimes you don't want to get too deep with that person there, and when you just want a fling, and when you get it, you gone, and you find out now this person now nice to you, and you don't want to leave, but you don't know how to leave, but then yet you find a way how to leave. I want to hear from the man them. When you talk to me in the comment section, why you not leave? Why you not leave when you meet a good woman? Why? Is it that you're not afraid of commitment? Is it that you're afraid to be vulnerable and you don't want to just run the streets? What is it? Why is it that you pull away sometimes when you meet good woman? And why is it that and I'm telling her friends and I get the girl? Why? answer me. And for the woman, if you don't know any man where go talk when you not give them a piece, tell them friends where you never want them to know. You never want nobody know. Drop it in the comment section too. Don't afraid for drop it. Nobody don't know who you be. This is YouTube. Drop it in the comment section if you ever hear your name in the streets say, and it's something where you never want to happen. So you know say I never you talk and him talk. Me just a meds. This man wake up and me just a meds and I think about it. I'm say me I go come talk a little bit about it this morning with people them best up on yourself and I'm out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend about my YouTube travel channel. Enough love guys. Peace out. Alright guys, so sometimes when I find out that the woman is nice, I wanna have personal issues. I don't want to put the woman them through that. So that's why I wanna pull away. Answer me if that's one of the reasons. Me I try to answer for now, but wanna tell me if that happened. Tell me. Drop it in the comment section. Wanna find a girl, wanna never did want to get too close, but wanna find out that she's very nice. And that's one of the reasons why I wanna leave the nice girl, because I have personal issues battling with and I realize that you're going to hurt them. Have you ever done that? Like, have you ever pulled away from somebody because of that? Drop it in the comment section. The next one is it because you find somebody else that you think is nicer, like giving you more affection and stuff like that, why you leave the one that you is it that you are afraid? Is it that you are afraid to be vulnerable as a man? You don't want to express what you're feeling. Is it that one of the reasons why you feel like you're gonna go? Why? You are afraid to express what you've been through, or things that is bothering you, or things that you're struggling with. Is that one of the reasons also why you just leave? Drop it in the comment section. The next one is going into a relationship with your walls up. If you're going into a relationship with your walls up, why is it that you're going in there? Whether woman or man, we tend to do that. We do that because you're scared. I was scared. You know, I was scared to get hurt. So that's the reason why you're going into a relationship, because you don't know what to expect. So I could answer for that. I am scared because I don't want to get hurt. So you're going there with your walls up, but you don't know what that person is thinking about you. You don't know if that person is your person. So you're gonna go up there, you're gonna go in there with your walls up. So I answer that one for you guys, because definitely in this time people are not real, genuine. So you want to protect yourself in any way possible, and that is one of the way why people put up walls. So much is happening around them. They get hurt before, and yeah, so I could answer to that because I did it.